We have let our block set up and dry. We've sanded it down. So we can put this block, will go into here. We've got the mouth all done here. So that's going to go in here, okay. So now we can put that block in. We already put our eye hook in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, put it in my comment section. I'd appreciate that. So we'll glue this in, and then we'll let it set overnight before we start to round down the neck. Give it a good chance to set up good and bond. But this block is 2.5 inches by 3. Clamp this down. Just wipe this excess glue off. Let this set up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.